Welcome to NFTstudio24.com.
I'm Andrea, and today we're going to talk about how NFTs are revolutionizing the world. Beeple is the artist that brought NFTs into the public eye when he got a record-breaking bid on his NFT for $69 million. Since then, a lot has changed for the NFT ecosystem as a whole, and the utility is being created, and it's actually going crazy. Some NFTs are creating passive income for holders by rewarding them with community tokens. Other NFTs are being used as deeds to houses and making it easier for people to transact in the real world on blockchains. NFTs, in theory, could also be used as office IDs or passports. And for live events, there are NFT ticketing platforms that make your ticket a collectible and show proof that you attended a legendary performance. NFT gaming is finally making it possible for gamers to own in-game rare assets that can trade for real money instead of selling secret accounts on eBay where you risk getting banned for making money off gaming. The ecosystem of NFTs is far-reaching and not stopping anytime soon. So what do you think? Do you think NFTs are here to stay, and what aspect of the NFT are you most excited about? Let us know below. We would love to hear from you.
For more education videos, visit our website, NFTstudio24.com.